So you're probably familiar with the idea of representing sound visually. A spectrogram, like this one, for example, is a visual rendering of the spectrum of frequencies. Low sounds on the bottom, high sounds on the top, and time left to right. Well, this probably gets you thinking. Can you go the other way? Represent pictures sonically? And the answer? Yeah. I've got some pictures. Let's see what they sound like. This is a simple diagonal line to give us a sense of what's going on. Well, visually, this makes sense. At the beginning, which is leftmost, it's low, and at the end, rightmost, it's high, and it's gradually increasing in between. I wonder if you can predict how something like this will sound. Right? So a horizontal line stays on the same frequency over time, and as each line gets added, we get a new frequency added to the sound. Now, this one's a little bit more complex. Can you predict what a vertical line will do? See what happened there? Vertical lines are present across the full frequency spectrum, low to high, but present over a very short span of time. We essentially get bursts of noise, and this left to right axis of time and up and down axis of frequency kind of subverts something we naturally do with certain shapes. For example, with this spiral, our eye naturally traces the loop, but the sonic representation is simply going to scan it left to right for whatever frequencies are present, up and down. You'll see what I mean. So you can see this runs a little contrary to intuition in certain cases, but makes sense when we think about it. Okay, and this one? Your guess is as good as mine. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with the beautiful music that is my cat's face.